Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting SVG file to JPEG. You can see on my computer I have two SVG files, one SVG logo file and another is just some graphics, vector graphics. I will convert it into JPEG files, and in order to do this I will download application from my website. I will leave a link on the site and the description. To find app, I will click on search and type SVG. And click on SVG page, then click on SVG to JPEG, and click on download to download application to my computer. I'll be recording more videos on image converters and SVG converters, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. We'll wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. You can see archive is here. I'll just click on our downloaded archive to open it. Then double click inside on MSI inside archive to start installation. Click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher as Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and finish on final screen, and you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we'll have to select SVG file we'd like to convert to JPEG. So I'll click on select input files on this button and then select pictures, my pictures, and select files I would like to convert. I can select them one by one, or I can hit Ctrl A to select all files into folder. And after all files selected, I'll click on next step. There are no conversions options here, just click next. And on file step, I'll click run to start conversion. And the application asking me for name and for location of result file where they will be stored. So I'll click on my pictures and just save them into my pictures. And you can see it created 2 JPEG files, hero and SVG logo. Let's go and see files. So I go to pictures and you can see there are 2 files created from SVG. They're identical, so this is JPEG created from hero SVG. This is original, this is JPEG. And SVG logo as well. So if I click on SVG logo, this is JPEG created. Yep. So yeah, basically that's it. We created files. If you have any questions, also this application supports command line. So if you want to convert all files into current folder to JPEGs, you can do this, and or schedule jobs that will convert all files. You can also do that. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.